Hi, this is Ed from Quality Vacuum in Grand Haven, Michigan. We have in stock all the different styles of Miele vacuum bags. To find our store, just Google Quality Vacuum, Grand Haven, Michigan. Click on the directions box and Google Maps will bring you right to our store. Or you can call us at 616-844-1400 if you have any questions. We can take your order over the phone and ship the bags directly to your home. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.